So you just want to change your Instagram country or region or update your address on Instagram. Let me show you the quick and the correct way to do it. First, you have to open up your Instagram app. Now go to your profile. Here you can already see an address or country that you added when you created this account. Now if you want to change it, you have to tap on edit profile, and now from here you have to scroll to contact options. Now here we'll find the address section. So here you can see now it's in glitch mode. So don't worry, just tap on address section, tap on your old address again, and here you have to search your current address, and when you find it, just select it, and when you are done, select done and save it properly. So here you can see the pop-up profile info is saved correctly. Now go back to your profile, and here you will see your country or region is updated correctly. But if you can't see your address on your profile, you have to make sure one more settings is turned on. So just go to your edit profile section, then scroll down and go to profile display. Now here you have to make sure display contact info is turned on. If it's off, just turn it on, then tap done and save it. Now go back to your profile and see you will be able to see your address, country and region correctly. So there have another more thing, some people are using private account. So for that you must have to convert your account to a professional or business account. For switching it, you have to go to your edit profile, and here you have to find this option, convert your account to your professional or business account. So you must have to convert your account to your professional then business account. So during the setup process, you will find this option business address, and from here you can easily add your new country, region and address. Then save it properly, and now go back to your profile and you will see the updated country and region directly from here. Isn't it really easy to change? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.